Welcome Law Grids. We will be discussing the prohibited sectors under foreign direct investments. Foreign direct investments in India is regulated under FEMA and rule made thereunder. And the applicable rule is Foreign Exchange Management, Mode of Payment and Reporting of Non-Debt Instruments Regulation 2019, in short known as NDI rules. So Schedule 1 of NDI rules contain a list of prohibitory sectors. There are 9 prohibitory sectors where investment by a person resident outside India is prohibited, and these are: 1. Lottery business, which includes both government or private lottery, including the online lotteries. Gambling and betting, including the casinos. 3rd, chit funds. 4th, Nidhi company. 5th, trading in transferable development rights, TDRs. 6th, real estate business or construction of farmhouses. Now this is the important to be discussed about real estate business, because for the purpose of this rule, real estate business shall not include development of townships, constructions of residential or commercial premises, roads or bridges, and real estate investment trust registered and regulated under SEBI. So I will repeat again, following real estate businesses are allowed, are not in the prohibited list. These are development of townships, constructions of residential or commercial premises, roads or bridges, and REITs, that's a real estate investment trusts, which are regulated by the SEBI. Then apart from these, all other real estate business or construction of farmhouses are prohibited under FDI. 7th is manufacturing of cigars, cheroots, cigarettes, cigarillos, tobacco or tobacco substitutes. 8th is activities of sector that are not open to private sector investment, like atomic energy and railway operation. So all those sectors which are not open for private sector investment, they are under the prohibitory. And apart from that, latest to add is a foreign technology collaboration in any form, including licensing for franchisee, trademark, brand name, management contract for lottery business, gambling or betting activities. So lottery business and gambling and betting activities, investment in these activities are prohibited. And apart from that, any foreign technology collaboration, either in the form of licensing of franchisee, trademark, brand name, management contract, etc., is also prohibited for these activities. And there are few specific persons which are also in the are prohibited. Is like a citizen of Pakistan or an entity incorporated in Pakistan can only with the prior government approval invest in sector activities, but they cannot invest in defense, space, atomic energy or sector activities prohibited for foreign investment. And those countries which share border with India, or the beneficial owner is citizen of any of those countries which share border with India, they can only invest under the government approval. So they cannot invest in the automatic route. I hope that is clear. Thank you.